Hello everyone, this is Pritika Patel working as an assistant professor in computer engineering department of Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center Navsari. Today in this session we are going to discuss about AVL tree, which is the topic of subject data structure of second year third semester. Now we are going to discuss about height balance tree, that is AVL tree. An AVL tree is invented by two scientists, Adelson Welsky and Landis. So, from the name of these two scientists, name of height balance tree is AVL. And AVL is height balance binary search tree. So, first of all, we have to find the balance factor. Balance factor BF is equal to HL minus HR, where HL is height of left subtree and HR is the height of right subtree. An AVL tree is having balance factor minus 1, 0 and 1, then it is called AVL tree. Now AVL tree. Balance factor of this leaf node is 0. Again this leaf node is 0. This parent node is balance factor 0. This leaf node having balance factor 0. This internal node having balance factor 1. And root node having balance factor 2. So here in this tree, every node having a balance factor 0 and 1. So it is called AVL tree. Then again this tree having leaf node balance factor 0, this node having balance factor minus 1, this node having balance factor 0, this node having balance factor 1, leaf node having balance factor 0, this node having balance factor 1, leaf node having balance factor 0, this node having balance factor minus 1, then this node having balance factor 0, this node having balance factor 2 minus 1, that is 1, again this node having balance factor 0, and this node having balance factor 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, and last root node having balance factor 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. So this tree also have balance factor 0, minus 1 and minus 1. So this is called AVL tree. Now this tree have leaf node have balance factor 0, this node have balance factor 1, this node have balance factor 0, this node have balance factor 1, this node have balance factor 0, and this node having balance factor 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So balance factor is violated. So for this situation we have to rotate tree and balance the tree. So rotation is the solution of this violated balance factor. Now here again this node having balance factor 0, this node having balance factor minus 1, and this node having balance factor minus 2. So balance factor is violated from here. So again rotation is required. So sometimes tree becomes unbalanced by inserting or deleting any node. Then based on position of insertion, we need to rotate the unbalanced node. So rotation is the solution of unbalanced tree to convert in balanced tree, or we can say that AVL tree. So rotation is the process to make tree balance. So first rotation is LL rotation. Suppose we have this two node 18 and 12. Now if I want to insert node 6, right, then it is obviously inserted in left side of this node 12, right. So newly inserted node is 6. Now we have to find the balance factor of 6, that is 0, balance factor of node 12, that is 1, and balance factor of at node 18, that is 2. So here balance factor is violated. So we have to see that from which side new node is inserted. It is inserted in left side of 18 and left side of 12. So here LL rotation is required. Now solution of LL rotation is one right rotation. So from one right rotation, our tree become like this. That is 12 become root, 6 is left child, and 18 become right child. So this is the LL rotation. Now next is RR rotation. Here tree is given that having node 45 and 50. Now if we want to insert node 55, then it will obviously inserted in right side of node 50, right? Now if we count the balance factor at node 55, that is 0, at node 50, that is -1, and at node 45, that is -2. So balance factor is violet over here. So now we have to check that in which direction newly inserted node is there. So newly inserted node is right side of 45 and right side of 50. So here RR rotation problem is occurred. So the solution of RR rotation is one left rotation. So by doing this rotation, one left rotation, our tree become like this. Root node become 50 and 45 become left child and 55 become a right child. So this is the RR rotation. Next is LR rotation. Suppose we have this tree having node 28 and 15. Now if we want to insert node 21, then it will inserted in the right side of 15. Now if we check the balance factor at node 21, that is 0, then 51 having balance factor -1 and node 28 having balance factor 2. So balance factor is violet from here. So we have to check that newly inserted node is in which direction. So it is from left side to 28 and right side of 15. So this is the LR problem. So the solution of LR rotation is one LR rotation itself, but we have to solve first right rotation and then solve left. So first of all, left rotation at node 15. So our tree become like first we have 28, node 28, then 21, and then 15. Now one left rotation is complete, right? But one but this L problem is remain now. So for this we have one right rotation. So right rotation at node 28, and by one right rotation our tree become like this. 21 become root, 15 become left child, and 28 become right child. So this is the LR rotation. Now next is RL rotation. Suppose here we have node 24 and node 41. Now if you want to insert node 36, then it is obviously inserted in left side of node 41. So 36 is become newly inserted node. Now we have to check the balance factor at node 26, that is 0, at node 41, that is -1, and at node 24, that is -2. So balance factor is violated here. So we have to check that in which direction the newly inserted node is there. So it is in right side of 24 and left side of 41. So this is the RL problem. So the solution of RL rotation is RL rotation itself, but we have to solve first left and then solve right. So first we have to solve the left problem. So the solution of left problem is one right rotation. So right rotation at node 41. So our tree become like this: 24, then 26, and then node 41. But this right rotation is remain now. So the solution of this right rotation is one left rotation at node 24. So by left rotating, our tree become 36 is become root, 24 become a left child, and 41 become a right child. So this is the RL rotation. So for this AVL tree, we have four rotation, that is LL rotation, RR rotation, LR rotation, and RL rotation. Now construct AVL search tree. Here some data is given, and from this given data we have to construct AVL tree. First of all, we have to insert 6. So 6 become a root node and balance factor of this node, that is 0. Now we have to insert 5. So 5 is inserted in left side of node 6. So 5 is inserted. Now we have to check the balance factor. So balance factor at node 5 is 0, and balance factor at node 6, that is minus 1. So this is the AVL tree. So now again we have to insert 4. So if you want to insert these 4, then obviously it is inserted in left side of 5. So 4 is inserted in left as a left child in node 5. Now we have to check balance factor, that 4 is having balance factor 0, 5 having balance factor 1, and 6 having balance factor 2. So now here balance factor is violated. So we have to check that our next node is located in which direction. So it is in left side of 6, left side of 4. So this is the LL problem. So the solution of this LL problem is one right rotation. So we have to rotate one right rotation at node 6. So our tree become like this. Node 5 is become root node, node 4 is become a left child, and node 6 is become a right child of the tree. Now we have to check the balance factor. So the balance factor at node 4 is 0, node 6 is 0, and node 5 having 0. So this is the balanced tree. So now we have to insert 3. Now if you want to insert 3, then it will obviously insert it in left side of 4, right? So 3 is inserted in left child as in left child of node 4. Now we have to check balance factor. Balance factor at node 3 is 0 and node 6 is 0. Now we have to check the balance factor at node 4, that is 1, and balance factor of node 5, that is 1. So now we have to insert 2. Now 2 is inserted at the left side of node 3, right? Now again we have to check balance factor. At node 2 balance factor 0, at node 3 balance factor is 1, at node 4 balance factor, at node 6 balance factor is 0, and at node 4 balance factor is 2. So now balance factor is violated over here. So we have to check that in which direction newly inserted node is there. So it is in left side of L, left side of 3. So it is LL problem. So the solution of LL problem is one right rotation at node 4. So our tree become like this. 3 is become parent, and 2 is become left child, and 4 is become right child. Now all these node having balance factor 0 and 1. So it is also a balanced tree. Now next we have to insert 1. So obviously we have to insert 1 at the left side of 2. So it is become a left child of 2. So balance factor at 1 is 0, 2 at 1, at 3 at 4 0, and at 3 1, at 5. Balance factor is 2. So now again balance factor is violated, so we have to check that in which direction our newly inserted node is. So it is left side of 3 and left side of 2. So again we have to right rotation at node 5. So one right rotation at node 5, so our tree become like this, and this all node having balance factor 0 and 1. So this is a real tree, or we can say that it is a balanced tree. Now next example is the given data is 64, 1, 44, 26, 13, 110, 90, and 85. First of all we have to insert 64. So 64 is become a root node and it's having balance factor 0. Then we have to insert 1, so it is obviously inserted in left side of 64. So 1 is become a left child of 64. Now we have to check balance factor. Balance factor at node 1 is 0 and at node 64 that is 1. So it is again balanced tree. So now again we have to insert next node, that is 44. 44 is inserted in right side of 1, right? So now again we have to check balance factor at 44 0, at 1 minus 1, and at 64 2. So balance factor is violated, so we have to check in which direction our new node is inserted. So it is left side of 64 and right side of 1. So this is the LR problem. So first of all we have to solve this R problem by one right rotation at child 1. So our tree become like this: 64, then 44, and then 1. Now remaining problem, that is L. So the solution of this L problem is one right rotation at 64. So by one right rotation our tree become like this: 44 become root, and 1 become a left child, and 64 become a right child. Now we have to check balance factor at all these node, that is 0, so it is balanced tree. So now insert 26. So if you want to insert 26, then it will inserted in left side of 1. So now we have to check. So now we have to check balance factor at 26, that is 0, at 1 that is minus 1, 64 that is 0, and at 44 balance factor is 2 minus 1, that is 1. So we can insert next node, that is 13. So 13 is inserted in left side of 26. So now again we have to check balance factor at 13 0, at 26 1, at 1 2. So again balance factor is violated, so we have to check that newly inserted node in which direction, and right side of 1 and in left side of 26. So now again this is the RL problem, and the solution of RL problem is, first of all we have to solve this left problem with one right rotation at node 26. So our tree become like this: 1, then 13, then 26. Now remaining problem, that is R, and the solution of this R problem is one left rotation at 1. So our tree become like this: 44 and then 13, and 1 is become a left child of 13, and 26 is become a right child of 13, right? Okay, now we have to check the balance factor of all these node, that is 0 and 1. So this is again balanced tree. Now we want to insert 110. 110 is inserted in a right side of 64, right? Then we have to check the balance factor at 110, that is 0, 26 at 0, and at 1 0. and at 13 again 0, at 64 it is -1, and at 44 2 minus 2, that is 0. So this tree is balanced. So now we can insert 98. So 98 is obviously inserted in left side of 110. Now again we have to check balance factor at 98, that is 0, at 1101, at 64 minus 2. So now again balance factor is violated over here. So we have to check that our newly inserted node is in which direction. So it is the right side of 64, left side of 110. So this is the RL problem and the solution of RL problem. For this we have to first of all solve the left problem. So the solution is 1 right rotation at node 110. So our tree become like this: 64, then 98 and 110. Now remaining problem, that is R, and the solution of this R problem is 1 left rotation at 64, and for by doing this left rotation our tree become like this: 64 is become a left child of 98 and right child become a 110, and all the node having balance factor 0. So this is a balanced tree, or we can say that AVL tree. Now last node, that is 85. Now if you want to insert this 85, then it will inserted in the right side of 64. Now again we have to check balance factor, that is 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1. So this is already balanced tree. So this is the answer of this given data's AVL tree. So by using this data, we can, this way we can construct the AVL search tree, or we can say that balanced tree. Thank you.